to talk this morning about the myths that the capacity stays the same forever in a water softener and the efficiency stays the same. We've talked numerous times about resin, the little man-made BBs that are inside the mineral tank here. And obviously when they're brand new, they're going to be at max capacity and max efficiency. And when we set the equipment up, we will set it that way to utilize the brand new resin and get the most efficient regenerations or efficiency between regenerations as we possibly can. But over time, the resin diminishes in size just a little bit and the efficiency is going to go down. So brand new system versus a 10-year-old system, there's going to be a pretty big difference between how many gallons between regenerations you can get and how much salt possibly you are using per regeneration. So it is a good idea years after we have the equipment installed that if you notice a little bit of hard water slipping through at the end of the cycle, maybe have us come on out and we'll test the equipment and make sure that it is set to how old the resin is and to make sure that it is adjusted properly so that you can get the most soft water out of the system even with older resin. And again, resin will wear out and it will have to be replaced at some time. It's just a lot of variables to how long it takes. So it's kind of like I tell people it's kind of like your car. Gas mileage will slip over time. Older car won't get as good a gas mileage as a brand new one. Same thing with a water softener, but it is simply corrected. You can just have us on out and we can make the proper adjustments. And if you have any questions about it or want to talk to us about it, just reach out and give us a call and we'll answer any questions or we can schedule a service call to come on out. Thank you.